Today, I'm bringing you a skin treatment that addresses all facial issues. Whether it's anti-aging or skin discoloration, this cream will help. If you have tanning, freckles, or dark spots, using this cream will make your skin fresh and as fair as possible. Don't wait. Subscribe to our channel to see all our helpful videos for free. So, my dear friends, let's start today's video. We're making an anti-aging cream that treats all skin problems. First, we need rice. I've got 3 tablespoons of rice here. Rice is great for our skin. It keeps it healthy and fair, covers blemishes, and helps with anti-aging. You've probably seen it used in many skincare remedies, especially for that Korean glass skin look. Rice is often the first ingredient. So, what are we going to do with this rice? First, we'll soak it in warm water. This helps soften the rice. After an hour of soaking, we'll cook it until it's very soft. We'll then use this to make a creamy mixture for our homemade skincare treatment. Okay, now we're going to cook the rice. First, we'll need a saucepan. Inside it, we'll put the rice we had soaked earlier. We'll cook it well until it becomes completely soft. Now look, its water has dried up. We'll strain it now. This is what you have to do. What we have to do now, which is the paste we have boiled, is strain it. Here it is in front of us. The texture is such that all the granules are gone. We've strained it. You could have used it without straining, but those lumps inside might have been quite irritating, so we ground it to get a creamy paste. Next, we will add an ingredient that will moisturize and lighten our skin tone. If we use this specific ingredient alone, it could be irritating, but mixing glycerin into it works wonders. You'll be amazed. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of glycerin and then go on. What we are going to add inside it is these 2 capsules of GA vitamin E is fine inside it. Now we have to add them. Now you will say G remedy will be ready, but yes, this remedy is not ready at all. We will add last ingredient inside it. Now what do we have to do this? That I am preparing cream for the week. I am preparing, if we keep rice in this way, then it produces simile. Then to eliminate this simile and at the same time to keep our skin hydrating, the next ingredient is that. I have added 4 to 5 drops, okay, but our skin hydrating will also be cured. Now what do you people have to do is to save this cream in the airlock container so that it does not get spoiled. Now let us tell you how to use it. So yes, this cream is ours, absolutely ready now. We have told you the way we have to keep it. You will keep it in the airlock container so that this cream does not spoil it. Wake up in the morning, sleep at night. Just as we use moisturizing cream, you will apply it. After applying it, you have to leave it altogether. And only after doing this, use a week, you will get its results. Skin Maximum. Whichever your color tone is okay, black is Samunla, who can get the best maximum beauty on your skin, nor will she get this cream throw up. So yes, my dear friends, hopefuls, you like this video. If you like the video, then you must like our video. Our channel Daisy Health TV must you have to subscribe so that the next videos can be helpful for you, as if this video is going to happen and you have to share its results with us.